What if you could hold the future in your hands? What if manufacturing was no longer confined to factories but as accessible as pushing a button? Welcome to the reality Acquibots is shaping. Imagine a world where a surgeon can print a bespoke prosthetic for a patient in a matter of hours. A world where architects can hold a detailed model of their design before ground is even broken. This is the world Acquibots is building. Acquibots 3D printers are not just tools, they are game changers. They turn the impossible into the possible, transforming the way we create, innovate, and grow. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from those who have experienced the Acquibots revolution firsthand. A teacher from a rural school marvels. With Acquibots, we brought a world-class lab into our classroom. Our students aren't just learning about science, they're doing it. An independent jewelry designer shares, Acquibots has transformed my business. I can make custom pieces faster and more affordably than ever before. And a surgeon expresses, with Acquibots, we can create perfectly fitted prosthetics in-house, dramatically improving patient recovery times. These are just a few among countless stories of transformation brought about by Acquibots. Behind Acquibots is a team of relentless innovators, tirelessly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We believe in a future where everyone can be a creator, where every idea can be brought to life. We invite you to be part of this revolution. Unleash your creativity, challenge the status quo, and redefine what's possible. Join Acquibots in shaping the future of manufacturing. Acquibots, where the future is printed today.